Good evening! It's Monday. 3, 2, 1. Dusty Bin.
Monday evening, so if you're watching us, please
Let's make Monday magic.
Yes, please give us a wee like and say hello in the comments. Hopefully we'll see your comments because sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't at all. And if you're watching...
Later on, please give us a wee hashtag replay. So, happy Monday to you all. Let's make Monday
magic. Yes, what's everybody been up to at the weekend? Please let us know in the comments below what you have been up to. We've had a busy wee weekend, so we have. I can hear myself echoing. Can I just turn that down a wee bit? Thank you. God, it feels like it was a busy weekend, but then it feels like we've done nothing as well.
What did you do?
I can't even remember now. What did we do on Friday? We had a lazy night on Friday. What did we do on Saturday? We had a lazy night on Saturday. Oh, the backlash we got for watching Home Alone and Home Alone 2. What's up with you people? I mean, it's almost Christmas.
It is.
Home Alone 2 you can watch any time of the year.
Definitely.
But we never watched any Halloween movies. I know we'll need to make a wee Halloween movie night. So we've got Hocus Pocus to watch. Medea's Boo. Oh, I love that.
Oh, have we seen it?
I think we watched the first one, but I think there's two. Boo 2. Boo and Boo 2.
Boo 2, you
Anyone's not seen Medea? Oh, you know, Tyler Perry's Medea. Absolutely hilarious. So we have got a small display here. I've not got my big display up because it's all about the jars. So I want to say thank you to anyone who has placed an order on our online shop.
That's what it was. We had such a busy weekend.
Yes, we don't get notification anymore of who orders. We just get a notification of what's been ordered.
So we can tell you what you've ordered, we just don't know who's ordered it.
So please, I know a lot of you do, you send us a wee message to say, just pop a wee order on, we can then track it and keep a wee eye on it and give you the best customer service. If we don't know you've ordered, I'm really sorry, we can't thank you either.
And
I'd like to say thank you
to
everybody that has ordered with us. If you're unsure, obviously just come through us or go onto the Candleboys website and click on the PartyLite shop from there. That takes you on to PartyLite, but it goes then through our own...
so that we get the commission.
Yes.
So it's all about the commission.
Aye.
And the customer service.
I know, it's nearly the end of October.
We don't want any orders going astray because that big house account, you know, will get all our profits. So yeah, if you don't mind, just give us a wee, I've ordered it, that way we can track it as well, make sure we know it gets delivered and everything's A-OK.
Definitely. 3-wick jars, £16 a jar, including new fragrances. Honestly, we cannot believe, including traditional fragrances.
Not traditional, we've got our millionaires, we've got
pumpkin,
marshmallow vanilla, mulberry, and my favourite, I have to stretch for this one.
Oh, your other favourite that's hiding behind your phone that you're using to prop up will be very upset.
Couldn't see that, it's going to fall out with me. This is my original favourite. Big Fatal.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We've got sea salt and sage.
And sea salt and sage just hiding behind my phone.
But yes, so there's loads of fragrances. I think there's about 38 fragrances on offer for £16. Now, originally...
Matches my jumper.
Yeah, originally this was going to end tonight at 10 o'clock. We're going to extend it.
How long for?
Until next Monday. For a whole week.
Happy days.
So my big tremors, I wonder why.
Right, hold on. So
yes,
what have I got here?
We're going to extend it. So the 3-wick jars. Obviously, we have brand new fragrances. Bourbon cherry. Oh, just gorgeous. Autumn sangria, spiced pumpkin. Aye.
Are you sure?
Yes. How do you burn a 3-wick jar? Just in case somebody's new here tonight.
So what have we got? We've got a brand new one just out of the box.
Woodland pumpkin.
I was trying to do it back to front, but it wasn't happening.
Well, I tell you the fragrance description. I brought my notes with me, right? Okay. Woodland pumpkin. Hello pumpkin, cinnamon bark, woody apple and harvest pumpkin create this happy autumn medley. At times woody and spicy, at others warm and gourmand.
So it's a hoodie. So beautiful wrap.
It's gorgeous.
As you can see though, we've got one burning and we've taken the wrap off.
Yes,
so if you don't like the wrap,
spiced pumpkin that we have been burning here, but you can see how clean the burn is. We've just lit this. Obviously, always let your candle liquefy, rim to rim. Okay.
It will take about an hour.
Yes. Before you snuff it out, always use your PartyLite lid as the snuffer as well.
And how long should you burn it for, Greg, before you snuff it?
I think PartyLite recommends it 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours. Yeah, so don't be leaving them on all night. 3 hours and then snuff it out, okay? And when you get down to the bottom, there's about maybe a quarter of an inch to maybe half an inch left. Yes, you would stop your bun because you don't want to break the glass either, okay. But yes, they come with lids for a reason. Use them as snuffers. All you do, put that on top of your jar, snuff it out, okay. Once the flame's gone out, let that lid off again. You'll get a wee puff of smoke, it'll go poof, okay. And then that's that completely done. You can then put your lid back on, okay, and that will keep it getting dust free, etc. There'll be nothing getting in there. When you go to relight it, always trim your wick again, okay? You always trim your wick before every light. So we're going to do that.
Trim your wick. So as you can see, this one's just out the wrapper. Look how long out those wicks are. Okay.
Yes.
So
We do have wick trimmers, but you could just use scissors. Okay. Right, how much should I be taking off?
Well, you want to make it like a quarter of an inch left.
Aye. Okay.
That's
So yes,
lovely
you can
that
use
is.
obviously wick trimmers, you can get them online, or even just a pair of scissors. Okay. And then we light. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That is that lit. So yes, that is that now lit. So you would leave that lit at least an hour to let it liquefy completely before you snuff it out. Okay, because did you know candles do have memories? So see if you snuff that out before it liquefies, it will just burn.
What did you say? It has memories?
It has memories. It has a memory.
Of what?
So it remembers its last burn. So if you let it liquefy, it will then obviously completely burn.
You'll start getting a tunnel in effect.
Aye, that's what I'm trying to say. Get all mixed up, I'm trying to say.
But I never thought about it as in memories. It would, because it would just go to where you...
Yes, so always follow our instructions. So don't do as he does and walk about with your candle. You would then put it
you
down.
should.
And again, away from drafts, away from anything that's going to catch fire as well.
Well, wait for your mouth then. There's a big draft coming out of that, isn't there? So I'll put it down here.
Aye. And obviously they come in gorgeous giftable boxes as well. Okay, so if you think Christmas presents, £16 a jar.
Perfect opportunity for a Christmas present, ready made.
Go
Right,
online.
you want to spin round and look at your lovely display.
Yeah. What have we got? So, as we said, we do have some autumnal fragrances here. Bourbon cherry, autumn sangria, spice pumpkin. This is spice pumpkin that is burning. As you can see, it's not quite liquefied edge to edge yet. That'll be about another 10 minutes or so before we'd be able to snuff that out. Here, pumpkin tea light holder pair. These are still on offer. Gold is hand painted as well. Okay, gorgeous. This is our woodland pumpkin that you've just seen as light. You'll get a gorgeous clean burn. Okay, never any of the blackness either. Look how clean that burn is. And then we have our Millionaires fragrances, traditional fragrances as well, which are on offer. Sea salt and sage, mulberry, marshmallow, vanilla, fig fatale, to name but a few. I think there's about 38 fragrances, I want to say. I'm going to just light up some more of these. These are gorgeous, these wee things. Where did we get these again? Was this Primark?
No, they were Poundland.
Poundland, but this was again last
But they
year
were
or 2
£2.
years ago. I think they were £2, weren't they? The mirror ball pumpkin. Gorgeous. So yes, only a small display tonight because it is just all about the jars. Okay, we're extending this. Forgot to tell you, there is a new promotion coming as well. Oh, there's Cooper Winton in the act as well. He's saying hi. Saying hi, Cooper? No. Oh, I love these wee things. Where did we get these again, David? Did you make these?
A very good friend made me them.
Was that Kirsty? Oh, they're gorgeous.
Now, I've got a bit of news as well. Remember that debate of my autumn decor thing, and Greg was doubting the fact that it was Sean Batty that made it. Well, he only just commented on our TikTok the day to say yes, it was him.
Aye.
I knew fine well it was him, but obviously somebody doubted me.
What else is happening tonight? Starting at 10 o'clock, I wrote it down so I would not forget. Up to 50% off autumn aromas. I feel as though we did bright, but no bright, if you know what I mean. It's a funny light.
Are they candles?
So, sticks, votives, melts, mini jars. Up to 50% off.
And last chance to get your Halloween.
You got stroke on your nose.
Hocus Pocus, do you have Hocus Pocus tea lights?
Hocus Pocus tea lights. Our Hocus Pocus jars, they're out of stock, they're gone. You've bought them all out.
Sold out.
You have to be quick with Hocus Pocus, you know that. Tea lights are still available. And there's up to 60% off the other holders, brand new holders, etc.
Yeah. So that's your last chance to get Hocus Pocus this year.
Yes, so if you want them, get your orders in now, or they'll not come for Halloween, okay? And then after Halloween, it'll be Christmas all the way. So remember, 3 wick jars, £16. If you are ordering online, remember go through Candleboys to click on the PartyLite shop. Use the code at the end, free ship 10 if you're spending £75 and it costs you nothing for delivery, okay? Right, anything else happening? That is.
I think you've waffled
Me too.
quite enough. Get your orders in.
Have a jar-tastic evening and week.
I think you've copied that from me when I said teed last week.
Tea-lighted,
And
remember?
this week you are jar-tastic.
Our tea-light deal finishes tonight. Jars are going to extend £16. Okay, the
For
3
all
wick
of them,
jars.
including the millionaire
Every
fragrances.
Is going to be on until next week, the 28th. As always, we will love yous and leave yous
I
until
think
next
you've
week.
waffled along.
Hey, Cooper. Right. Good night, and we'll see you next week.
Have a good week. Bye.